Learn English with Om Nom.
Learn weather with Om Nom. Wow! What's this? Oh, wow! What's going to happen? I think it's going to get hotter. Ooh! Watch out, Om Nom! Wow! Summer! Isn't it too hot? So let's spin the wheel again and change the weather. Here we go! Woo! Ooh! I think it's going to get colder. Winter! So pretty! It's almost time for Christmas! Whoa! Great joy! Let's spin the wheel again. Woo! This time, flowers are going to bloom! It's springtime! Wow! Yes! Good job, Om Nom! Keep going! Wow! What are the leaves falling? It's autumn! Yes! Yay! We've gone through all the seasons! Now it's magical time! Beautiful! Wow! It's the perfect weather for a good nap time! Bye! Find an apple with Om Nom! Ooh, what is Om Nom looking for? An apple! Wow! Where did it go? Keep looking! Om Nom is falling! Whoa! There it is! Om Nom is chasing! Uh-oh! Om Nom is crawling. Om Nom is jumping! Go, Om Nom! Whoa! Om Nom is running! Ooh, that was a dream! Yes, Om Nom, that's an apple! Eat it! What are you waiting for? Om Nom is eating! I wonder what Om Nom is up to today. Wow! An arcade machine! Let's begin! Learn alphabets with Om Nom! Woohoo! Om Nom! A B C D E. Keep going! Press the red button to start the game. Next level. F G H I J B, Q, R, S, T.
Press the red button to resume.
U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Game over.
Good job, Om Nom. Bye.
Yeehaw! Well, howdy there, partners. It's the candy bean tree. Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Yes, you are in the desert. What's that? It's a candy bean machine. Shall we get one? Look, a gold coin. Now remember, Om Nom, you had a candy yesterday, so give this one to Om Nelle. Here it comes. Yes, a candy. Only the one, though, Om Nom. Now remember, it's Om Nelle's turn. Give it to her. It's Om Nelle's gold coin, so she should keep the candy. Oh dear. Om Nom, don't be mean. Let her keep it. Come on, Om Nom, give it to her. Oh dear. Quick, run! There it is. It is growing something. What's that? Yes! It could be a candy bean tree. Good idea, Om Nom. Putting water on things makes them grow. For some more. Excellent work, Om Nom. Watch out! Oh dear. Never mind. Look, Om Nom, it's a gigantic candy bean tree. Yes, you're going to have to climb it. Go on, you can do this for your best friend, can't you? Good job, jump, 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 jump from one leaf to the next leaf and reach. No, Om Nom, give it to Om Nelle. Remember, it was her coin. Give it to her. Good boy, Om Nom. You are a very good friend. So that's what it means to be kind.
Star. One star. Gingerbread man. Two gingerbread men. Snowman. Three snowmen. Christmas bells. Four Christmas bells. Gift boxes. Five gift boxes. Stockings. Six stockings. Candy cane. Seven candy canes. Christmas baubles. Eight Christmas baubles. Snowflake. Nine snowflakes. Fairy lights. 10 fairy lights. Yay! Yes!
Pink. Blue. Red. Subscribe. Click to watch more.